Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. In this one... Damn it.
Hey, what's up guys? This is David from Griddle Guard. I'm here with my brother Aaron. We're cooking at Funco today. So Funco is actually one of our friends' family company. They build dune buggies, sand cars. Yeah, so we decided to come up here today, cook some lunch for the team. So check it out. Alright guys, I'll probably be behind the camera. I think I'm gonna have my brother Aaron cook up the taco.
So one of the main questions we always get is they want to know if the cover will still hang off the back even with the rear grease up on the back. Well, Dave, you want to show them that it does? See, this is the rear grease model. The grease cup's on the back and it's hanging just fine.
So here's our little setup. We loaded up Aaron's griddle from the house, threw it in his truck, brought it up here. We've got a little serving table here with some of our ingredients on there. We've got some of these aluminum trays to put some of the tacos in it. A little case of water. Got some plastic utensils, some plates. The Griddle Guard brothers want to give a special shout out to Mr. Crazy Pop.
Mr. Crazy Pop.
Mr. Crazy Pop.
Butch Bennett.
If you guys haven't seen his channel, we'll put a link in the description. You guys go check him out. Give him a like and a follow. He's a good guy.
What's up, Crazy Pop? Yo, Crazy Pop. See these here sand cars? I'm gonna put you in one of these days, okay? I'm gonna take you for a ride, alright? Much faster than a roller coaster.
So I guess while Aaron's cooking up the tacos, I'll go ahead and show you guys around a little bit. So guys, check out some of these cars that Funco builds. These things are insane. These cars are going to be shipped overseas. You guys can see this is kind of where the chassis gets put together. Looks like this one's here for a rebuild or something. So let's check out this one. This is what it looks like. This is what it looks like when they're putting the chassis together. This is Oakley. Say hello, Oakley. She's hungry, huh? First batch of tacos ready, staying warm.
Alright guys, so that's gonna be it for this video. We just came up to Funco to cook some tacos for them real quick. Sorry about that, it was real easy. Just some diced up chicken and tortillas and cheese, and it came out good. So we'll see you guys in the next video, okay?